friends, welcome to my channel. In this fifth part of the video, I will show you how to install the theme on WordPress under the VestaCP panel, right? So in the previous video, I have installed the plugin in front of you, and now I will show you how to install the custom theme, or pre-installed theme on WordPress site, right? So in the first video part, we have learned about the installation of Vista CP on Ubuntu's 18 version, right? In the second video of the part, we will learn about the installation of WordPress. In the third video of the part, we will learn about the plugin issues, how to solve the plugin issues, right? And in the fourth video of the part, I will show you the how to install the pre-installed theme, how to configure the pre-installed theme, right? So right now our domain is look like this. WordPress uh, 1.dns.net is look like this. So you want to change the theme, right? So go to the appearance and under theme, right? So you can see that here it will only show you the three three themes, right? So you need to add new themes, right? Here you can see that it's many themes here, right? So you can choose the theme as you want, right? So I will choose this theme. Here you need to install the theme, right? Installing on it, it's installing. It will take some time depending upon your internet speed, right? And activate this theme, right? Here you need to activate this theme. Now it will show you the theme is activated and new theme is activated. Visits visit theme, right? So yeah, it look like this you need to customize this theme, right? So let's let's check one more theme, right? Yeah, it will preview like this, right? Install this theme. Right, the theme is activated. You need to go to the incognito mode and press it. Yes, you can see that the theme is look like this, right? Yeah, theme is look like this. You need to customize the page into the go into the customization wizard menu, right? So it will show you the you can change the WordPress theme like here you according to your requirement, right? You can change this theme, right? You can also upload the customized theme, right? Here you need to upload the theme if you want, right? You can change the theme, right? I have a customized theme. I will show you how to the upload the customized theme in it, right? So I have one theme, right? Okay, and now install it. I think it will not install. It will give me the error, right? So it will give me the error, right? I will show in the next video how to resolve this error, right? So in this video we have learned about how to change the theme, right? in the pre-installed in the pre-installed WordPress theme, right? So in the next video I will show you how to upload the customized theme on WordPress, right? So thank you for watching.